This is how we got our seller $65,000 more than 2 other homes in the area that were of exact same specs. Tip number 1, fresh coat of paint is kind of what led us to do that. They had different colored rooms, nothing negative, but that was to their liking. We were able to help the buyer envision this color, did a nice neutral color throughout the main floor and upstairs, switched off a couple bedrooms with some darker colors and some light colors, but this allowed the new buyer to envision what they wanted. Tip number 2, remove the carpet. Whether you're in a house or a condo, this is gonna make a massive difference. Again, if it's in decent shape, you might wanna leave it. Every house is different, but if it's all beat up, it's a different color, it's stained, it's XYZ, get it flush. Get everything on a neutral color, replace it all, rip out the old carpet. If you have that parquet square flooring, it's easy. You can just lay laminate and vinyl on top of it. It's going to change the look of the home, and it's also gonna have that buyer walking in saying, I don't need to do this right away. I can do it down the road. This is gonna be better than the other homes I saw with carpets in the bedroom. This is something that we've done with condos and with houses, and we've seen really good returns for our sellers when we do both of those. The third tip I'm gonna give you is lighting. This is a very overlooked thing. If you're gonna repaint your house, change out the old looking nipple lights that we hate to see, that gold chandelier with cobwebs on it, just get rid of it. A basic flush LED light will change so much of the room, the whole look, and if you're painting or changing the carpet out, it's going to elevate the look of the house. And again, it's gonna separate you from the other homes that didn't do that. It's just another feature that a buyer's gonna say, oh, I like this house a little bit more than this one. And what we did for one of our clients right now, they had a nice freshly painted house, but they had all the old lighting in there. So we swapped out all the lights, about 8 lights we swapped. And just from doing that, not only did we brighten the whole rooms, we changed the lights to a flush light, so they're not big and bulky, they weren't old, but also they were nice, clean, and white. So with a freshly painted house, it matched, it flowed nicely, and the photos looked even better. Case in point, our seller who went through all 3 of these, lighting, removing the carpet, and painting, ended up selling for $65,000 more, an exact 4-bed, 3-bathroom, unfinished basement like ours. So for 1120, we sold for 1185. So it does make a difference. Invest in your home and you'll see the result. If you enjoyed that video, hit subscribe below. This is our channel that we're gonna be discussing all the tips, tricks you can do with sellers, buying, investing. I'm Nick Crozier with Crozier Realty. We are in the top 1% of realtors in the Toronto Real Estate Board. We run out of Etobicoke West in Mississauga. If you are thinking of selling or buying, we'd love to start that conversation with you and help you out. And go hit the link below for our Calendly link to set up your first call.